All right, hello, John Beckmann here. I want to break down the barrier to Adobe Animate. So my goal in this video is to just get you to open the Adobe Animate program and instantly make your first animation. So open Adobe Animate, create new, standard, create. Down here's the timeline, okay? You can add a layer by pressing the plus button. If you mess up, just delete the layer and start on a new layer. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Go to that first keyframe, select the brush tool, draw a circle. Go to the next keyframe. It should be empty. Press this button, onion skin. Now you get to see where the last time frame is. We're going to make the ball go up and down. Draw the ball a little bit in the next position. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Key thing is blank keyframe. Then draw another circle. Keep doing this process. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Yeah, that's right. Draw the next circle. Right click, insert blank keyframe. This would be the height of the ball. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Now the ball is going down. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Further down. Right click, insert blank keyframe. Further down. Last one, right click, insert blank keyframe. Ball on the ground flattened. Now, shut off the onion skin, press this button loop, extend the loop all the way to the left of all your keyframes, press enter. We did it.
Like and subscribe.
Hit like, hit subscribe. The goal of this video is to literally just
Make a ball bounce.
make a ball bounce. Now you know, it's not intimidating anymore. You know how to make an animation. From now on, just go into other videos, watch and learn how to make more complicated things. But the barrier has been broken.
Like and subscribe.